So when I will say highlight, that means the light part here. This is the highlight. When we say mid-tone, that means the grayish part. This is the mid-tone. When we say depth, this is the depth. That is the most darkest part. As an artist or as a sketcher, you have to decide which strokes to use where.
4 things that AI wants to do. On the thought fundamental, it wants to think like human beings and it also wants to think rationally. It wants to be able to do both. On the behavior side, it wants to act like the human beings and it also wants to act rationally.
A key to solving a case, as Dilip sir already mentioned, it's a lengthy case, it's a complex case with 12 pages and so on, is to distill it and get the key facts out of it. Your pitch and your presentation has to be a story, right? So whatever time is allocated to you, be it 15 minutes, be it 20 minutes, make sure that you are telling a story.
मोशन ग्राफिक में सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी चीज ये होता है कि कैमरा मोशन क्या, क्योंकि अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ कि कैमरा में हटा दिया नॉर्मल जगह से, अगर देखते हो तो इट्स लाइक प्रीटी बोरिंग, बहुत ज्यादा बोरिंग है, देखो कुछ नहीं है। बट अगर हम यहाँ पे कैमरा में चले जाते हैं और यू कैन सी ये मोशन ही काफी हद तक सही लगने लगता है।
वीएफएक्स केस स्टडी में हम लोग बहुत कुछ चीज हम लोग उसमें देख सकते हैं, राइट? ऐसा नहीं कि इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल चैप्टर। तो वो वीएफएक्स केस स्टडी में हम लोग जो आज बनाएंगे, इट्स कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेशन बिटवीन सीजी एंड रियल।
पहला चीज जो है, हम लोग को एक चीज जानना जरूरी है कि हम लोग जब एनिमेशन करते हैं तब क्या हम लोग साउंड में जब काम करेंगे तब क्या वो जो वर्ड हम लोग बोलते हैं वैसे पूरा वर्ड को क्या हम लोग पूरा मतलब हेलो ऐसे पूरा करेंगे?
Whatever topic you're performing on, you have to make sure that you convey your message through the elements. You know, it's not always, you cannot go, you have to make sure that you do things which are at times politically correct.
That you are here, that you are speaking your mind, that is the first step.
The motion is, quote unquote, is Kolkata relevant.
Kolkata has been regarded as the cultural capital of India. Whatever be your preference, the city has a lot more to learn, a lot more to explore. The city has been regarded as the cultural capital of India.
Kolkata want to associate our city with old world charm and live our future gnawing at our past glory, stirred by emotions and nationalistic thoughts, all the while neglecting the present. That whether they would like to work in Kolkata after they graduate. And drum rolls please. 74% of the students wanted to work in other metropolitan cities, among which 22% being abroad.
संविधान को लिखने वालों ने सपना एक संजोया था, यह विधि व्यवस्था बनी रहे, मुश्किल से जिसको पाया था। विधि व्यवस्था अमन चैन श्रद्धा का फूल चढ़ाना है, मानवता सबसे पहले आपस का भेद मिटाना है।
When the Amphan was going on, everyone was hiding near the shelter. He went to the command hospital to donate blood to an army officer.
जो मिट गया वतन पर, मैं वो शहीद।
Those areas where the particular trend of the buyer or the seller is not in clarity.
Because the money got less time to multiply, Karan was having a corpus at the age of 60 of 32 lakhs by only 1 lakh.
And the last 30 minutes price into volume weighted average is taken and the price is decided upon that.
Then it's a concept where you would know how the income will be generated, in whose hand, in what nature, so that ultimately when the year closes, the taxation on those income would result in very, very limited amount of taxes.